Hello students, how are you? I am your Jahir sir. Welcome to the Jahir sir's math class. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric exercise 8.3 class 10 question number 2. What is given in the question? Let us check the question first. Show that number 1 tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 is equal to 1. We are going to prove this result equal to 1. And then second one, cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52, this value equal to 0. Is it? Now let us check first one. Solution, first one. Let us take LHS. So tan 48 degrees into tan 23 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees. This one is LHS. What I am going to do? I am going to change these two. I will rewrite this one. Tan 42 can be written as 90 degrees minus 48 degrees. When you subtract, you will get 42. Here this one also. Tan 67 can be written as 90 minus 23 degrees. Students, here tan 90 minus theta formula here. Tan 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cot theta. Since from this formula we change these two into cot. Let us check here. Tan 48 degrees into tan 23 degrees into tan 90 minus theta, cot theta. So cot 48. Cot 48 degrees. This one cot 23 degrees. Is it? Now what, tan 48 degrees into tan 23 degrees into cot is the reciprocal of tan, that's why we will write here reciprocal. Cot becomes tan 48 degrees into this one 1 by tan 23 degrees. So here tan 48 ones, tan 41 8 ones cancel. Tan 23 also cancel. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Then this one equal to 1 result. What is result here? RHS came. This one equal to RHS. Is it? Therefore, tan 48 into tan 23 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees is equal to 1. Is it understood? Let us check second one. Okay. Now what is LHS in second question? LHS value is cos 38 degrees into cos 52 degrees minus sin 38 degrees into sin 52 degrees. This one is LHS there. So I will write these two into 90 minus theta form. Cos 38 degrees into cos 52 degrees minus sin 38 can be written as 90 minus 52 degrees. Is it? 90 minus 52, 38. Is it? Now this one sin 52 can be written as 90 minus 38. 90 minus 38, 52. Now since sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. From this formula, what is the result? cos 38 into cos 52 degrees minus sin 90 minus theta cos. Here also sin 90 minus theta plus 52. So cos 52 into here sin 90 minus 38. So cos 38 degrees. Look once, these two values are same, or write once again in the same order, into cos 52 degrees minus, I will write this one here, this one here. Why? Because here is the multiplication. So multiplication is commutative. Okay. Now cos 38 degrees into cos 52 degrees. Check both are same. So this one cancel, means this one minus that one 0. This one is RHS. Is it understood? Now LHS equal to RHS. What it means? This one, cos 38 degrees into cos 52 degrees minus sin 38 degrees into sin 52 degrees. This one equal to 0. Is it? Is it understood? I hope you understood. Hello students, how are you? I am your Jahir sir and welcome to the Jahir sir's math class. Today we are going to discuss about exercise trigonometry exercise 11.3 in AP state syllabus. Second question, show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 into tan 74 degrees equal to 1. We are going to prove this one. And second one, cos 36 into cos 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54, this value become 0, this one. Show that this value is 0. Okay, this one is the question. Let us check first one. First question, take LHS, this one is equal to tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. This one is LHS, is it? This one is LHS here. So I will change this one, tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees. I will write this one tan 42 90 minus 48 degrees. Is it? 90 minus 48 again 42. This one also we can write tan 90 degrees minus 16 degrees. Now tan 90 minus 16, 74 again. From this tan 90 minus theta form, we will get cot theta. By this formula, we can change these two into cot. Here tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 90 minus 48 means cot 48 degrees. Is it? This one also same. Tan 90 minus 16 means cot 16 degrees. Now this one tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into cot is the reciprocal of tan, that's why we can write this one 1 by tan 48 degrees. Is it? Now this one also 1 by tan 16 degrees. Now tan 48 once, this one once, here also once and once. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1 only. So 1 is here RHS, that's why is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence what is the result? Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. This one is our result. Is it understood? Let us take second question answer. Second one, solution. Second one, again take LHS value, cos 30 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees. This one is LHS. So, sin 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees. I change this one into like this, means sin 36 can be written as 90 minus 54 degrees. Is it? 90 minus 54, again 36 came, into sin 90 degrees minus 36 degrees. 90 minus 36, again 54 degrees. Since here one formula is there, 90 minus sin 90 degrees minus theta is equal to cos theta. By using this formula, what we are going to write here, this one is cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 90 minus theta, theta is 54 here, so cos 54 degrees into here sin 90 minus theta, theta 36, so cos 36 degrees. These two are equal, or write in a order first, cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus, I will write this one here and this one here. Why? Because here into is there in the middle, so multiplication is commutative, that is why we can change it, cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees. Now look at this, these two terms are same, so two values are same, minus is there, so this one is 0. What is 0 here? RHS. RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. What is result? Hence, what we get? Cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees in minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. This one is the second one proof. Is it understood?